personalized loans and tailoring a mortgage solution to suit you. Hi, I'm Kerry-Anne, a local mortgage broker here in Caloundra, and talk to you about certain different things on how we can tailor a mortgage to suit you and finding a right solution for you. The first thing is, when you're coming to a mortgage broker, we're going to sit down and talk to you about your story. Okay, so your story is, okay, I want to buy a house. Cool. So first thing we need to do is to have a look at all your variations in regards to your deposit, how much deposit that you've got. If you don't have a deposit, what options do we have for that? Are you a first homeowner? So do you qualify for the grant? And what goes around qualifying for the grant, which is a house and land package? Where are you buying? What category, what suburb, what residential area are you looking at buying? There's a lot of different variations to take into account so we can tailor the right mortgage solution to suit you. So is it a private sale? You know, there's lots of different things to think about. There's also things to think about. There's some key benefits in tailoring a mortgage solution. We can look at your financial goals, so aligning with your financial goals for the future. So you might want to get a home loan now. I want the cheapest, I want the basic. Don't worry about offsets or redraw facilities or anything like that. Don't want any packages. But got to remember, some things might cost you more money down the track. So we've got to look at what you want to do, got to have a long-term view of your home loan, because it's going to be one of the most expensive things that you'll do. It's going to be buying a home is a home. There's so many things that you could do with that as well. There's something you will own. It's something where you can invest with as well, and also build equity in to be able to do wealth creation down the track. So we need to look at what you're wanting to do so that we can sit in with your financial goals towards that. So getting a pre-approval first, also knowing how much can you borrow, what's comfortable for you, able so that you can still breathe. We don't want to push the boundaries. And there's so many different things to think about. So that's what we do. We go through a full questionnaire, like going to the doctors. Tick, tick, tick. And we can go through all those things with you and talk about all these things that, because it is quite personal. It's very private and confidential as well. We're talking about your money. We're talking about your finances. You've got to be honest with us. So we need to be, confidentiality is a big thing there. So, you don't need to go to the bank here or the bank here and the bank here, the bank here. They're going to hit your credit file anyway. So the best thing to do is to sit down with a mortgage broker and talk about your loan options so that we can tailor a loan solution towards whatever your story might be. So there's lots of different reasons for that, and a pre-approval is great, particularly if you're going to buy a home. That's classed as, to a real estate agent, you're a cash buyer. In other words, you've got your finance in place, you're ready to go, you're letting them know that you're serious. So there's lots of different things. You can also negotiate better terms and conditions for your loan as well. So say if we're going to the bank and, they're offering a particular rate, we might be able to get a discount on the rate as well. And we can lock that in on a pre-approval. Pre-approvals last 90 days. So once you've got that it's ready to go. And it also can take the stress out of looking for a property because you've already got all that in place. So, so we can personalize a loan to suit you. All right. Okay. I don't think I've got much else to say, but anyway, there's a lot of different things. I could talk to you all day, but I'm going to go. Okay. I hope you found the information useful. If so, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And I just want to let you know that we have a free giveaway, a free book, and subscribe to it now. So the link is below. It's the 7 steps to mortgage freedom and wealth through property. Inside here, you will find out how to get the cheapest home loan, why you should really care about your home loan, why people will end up broke, and also we have some bonus chapters at the back here as well. It's a great read. It's an easy read as well. So make sure you get your copy and share it with friends. See ya.